Look at my two little tweeties. They're taking a shower. It's a shower time. The blue one is Budgie, and the yellow one is Pucci. Look at Budgie. They're funny. Oh my God, they really want to take a shower. That's Budgie and Pucci. Tweety, you want to take a shower? And that's Tweety. Tweety. Tweety, want to take a shower? Want to take a shower? That's my Tweety. She's 12 years old now. Tweety, want to take a shower? Yeah? Want to take a shower? Yeah? Take a shower? Wait. And, oh my God, it's wet. The floor is wet now. They love to take a shower. And they love their veggies. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's Budgie. He wants to take a shower more. Budgie is so cute. And that's Pucci. Pucci, the yellow one. Okay, guys, this is my bird. My birds. I have two budgies and lovebirds. That's Tweety. 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 What you doing? Huh? Want to take a shower? Take a shower? She should take a shower too. Oh, they're still taking a shower. Look, he's drying up. He's drying up there. That's his veggie. That's the lettuce. Oh, look at the floor. It's a mess now. Budgie. Budgie, Budgie. You're sleepy.
You guys like the air blowing on your hair?
They're sleepy.
Of course, now it's nap time.
Nap time.